Davis, the quarterback, hands off to Ford. Ford coming from the far side of the field. Ford picked up 9 yards, so it's 1st and 10 from the 33. Alston with the handoff. Or is that Smith? That's it.
Shut off the back trying to draw quick.
Looking for Smith to go to left hand. He will not. As the Ravens collapse on led by Matt McDowell. Belvin stands in the gun, 4 receivers. Back beyond his own 40, and he throws complete, Belvin does, to a diving Garrett Bird at the 9.
You have a huge problem returning kicks that are kicked right after returners.
Davis fakes the handoff, keeps himself trying to get around the right corner. And Bird, he's having none of it. Bird steps up to his left. It's 1st and 10 from the 50. Ravenscroft moving right to left. Bellerin stands in the gun, hands off to Vernal, coming left to right, gets across the 45, gets a shoulder pass down at the 40 of Lewisburg, and then falls forward to the 39. And that is good hard running by T.R. Vernal.
Nice burst once he gets that linebacker, that second level is up and falling, puts his shoulder pass down, gets 10 yards.
2 consecutive first downs for the Ravens, who have 1st and 10 at the Lewisburg 38. Taylor takes the handoff this time from Billman, goes right across the 30 to the 25, and he's taken down promptly on the far sidelines by
Pitch from Lynch to to number 6. Quarterback. Pitch to Desmond Lawrence, tripped up by number 2, senior. Fumble on the play, recovered by the Ravens.